Alright guys, let's see. We're gonna try the white yodels first. See how that goes. So this is a white yodel. Okay. I've never had them before. It says white inside. It's not bad. And no, I'm not going to eat all these stuff. Pretty good though. White cupcake. See how this tastes. So, remarkably, see who are these from? Drake's and Hostess. Believe it or not, which might be different, the yodels taste a lot better than the Hostess. It tastes pretty good. So next, I'm going to try the white cupcakes. Now these say birthday cake. They got some cream, little sprinkles, colors and stuff like that in there. Let's give it a whirl. Birthday cake, huh? What's the brand on these? Hostess. Okay. So that's these guys. I won't be eating for the rest of the weekend. Oh. Not bad. After I finish this, I'm going to go for the powdered donuts. The donuts don't want to open. There we go. Alright, powdered donuts. Right there, baby. I can tell you right now, these are the Italian guys' best. They're the best here. Not like a white powdered donut from who? More hostess. Okay. So, tried the ding dongs. It's just a white cupcake, ring ding, whatever it is. For some reason, it's a little bumpy. They're okay. The yodels, they're okay too. Never had white yodels. The cupcakes, white cupcakes called birthday cake, little sprinkles and stuff in there. Those are okay. Everything's kind of okay, but my absolute favorite is the donuts. Oh, one escaped. I don't know where he went. Oh well. Someone call an exterminator. You're gonna dry in soon. Alright. That's it for the taste testing of all white snacks I could find in the store. Alright. Thanks for watching the Italian Guys Food Tour. And manja. Eat up, baby. Alright, guys. Welcome to the Italian Guys Food Tour. We're doing something different today. Today, we are trying nothing but white snacks. White colored snacks today. So today, we got white ding dongs. Okay? Those are these things. I'll show you what's going on with them. Then we got white birthday cake cupcakes. Alright? We got white powdered donuts. We even got white yodels, which are these, which I'm going to try first.